3 years ago, I bought an abandoned old school with a massive overgrown garden in Sweden. I've tried to tame the garden now and then while renovating the first stage of the house. In this vlog, I'm turning 2 huge piles of brambles into a future garden bed using the no-till technique. So if I look at this garden long term and all of the work that needs to be done, then I have a lot of landscaping to do, which includes removing some unwanted vegetation and planting some new that completes the existing. So I'm trying to be smart about this and think ahead. When removing things and taming the garden, I am going to create a lot of garden waste, just like I did in this winter. And I have in the past tried to take it to the recycling site, but that took me like 2 days to do all of those rounds. So I might as well spend a bit more time, maybe twice as much, but then I don't have to pay for new soil and compost. And I'm saving resources by not transporting things back and forth, and it just feels better to recycle it from the garden, of course. It's time to deal with this massive mountain of carnage that I produced last year. you follow me a while, you might have seen me do this dead hedge before. I have two now underneath this beautiful copper beech tree. And this is also one way to take care of your garden waste, and it's actually a lot less work because you don't have to cut it into smaller pieces. You can just weave it like this. And I'm definitely gonna do more of these further in here when I clear out this whole space. Trycka väldigt, väldigt sakta, väldigt försiktigt. Supersakta. Ja. Leder den lite här och sen så stoppar du nu. Snyggt. Då lyfter du den här.
Och så vrider man.
Ja. Bort med fingrarna.
Så.
Ja. Jag bara det framför så du inte...
Så.
Okej. Okay. Snyggt. After the garden waste has decomposed for 2 years, this area will be ready for planting. I plan to plant crane's bill or big root geranium as it's a tough perennial and you need that underneath a tree like this. This geranium is great because of two things. One, it's very hardy. It can survive underneath the tough microclimate underneath a tree that's going to be very dry and don't get a lot of sun. And secondly, this geranium, it starts a war on other plants. So it releases a chemical that makes it harder for other plants and vegetation to establish or even to grow.